get into it. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. In this video we are unboxing a new laptop. So if you guys have a mid-range of budget and you need a laptop which is very compact and you need to carry it everywhere you go, maybe for video editing or projects, it's very difficult to find such laptop. But in today's video we'll show you such a laptop in a very good amount of price. You all may not be familiar with the name Avita, but it's a Hong Kong brand that recently came to India with its wide range of laptops. This is how the box looks from the outside, and now let us open this and see the contents of the box. At first you can see the caption "Live it up." This is the laptop and it comes with a thin protective covering. Now let's keep it aside and have a look on the other stuffs. This is a user manual. Make sure you go through all the instructions, and you also get a wiping cloth. Now let's see what are the things we get inside this box. You get a micro HDMI to HDMI converter cable and a laptop charger. Now let's take out the laptop. Guys, really I'm feeling that I'm holding a MacBook in my hand. It is very sleek in design and entire body is made up of metal, which gives it an upper edge of toughness. This laptop gets a 14-inch Full HD IPS display with a very thin bezels, which gives it a very better look. There is also a fingerprint sensor provided for faster accessing of the system. You also get a good quality keyboard that comes with a backlight, which is also a very good feature for this price range. There is also a bigger sized trackpad, which is almost size equal to a smartphone. Now let's connect the power and complete the initial setup.
Take it all back, hate the things that you said, cause I wish you didn't mean it. I'm under attack, running far, far away, and I'd rather keep my distance from you.
Coming to the features, it has i5 8th generation processor, 8 GB of DDR4 RAM, and note that it has only 256 GB of SSD and no other internal hard drives. This whole laptop weighs about 1.46 kg. To the right side you get a charging port, a USB 3.0 port, a Type-C port and a micro HDMI port. And to the left there is another USB 3.0 port, a 3.0mm audio jack and a micro SD card port. At the back you get a 2 inbuilt speaker system and there is a heat ejection grill. Even though the design is similar to MacBook, you can't open this using a single hand. You need to use both your hands. At the top you get a 720p webcam with a microphone. The company says that this laptop gives 10 hours of battery life, but I don't think so. You may get approximately 6 hours with a normal usage. It comes with a genuine Windows 10 operating system and it takes just 2 to 3 seconds for booting up. And even the fingerprint sensor is also very responsive. So overall it's a very good laptop considering all the aspects. So if you are a student and you need to carry it for your college, you can definitely go with this laptop because it's very lightweight. This can be used for photo and video editing and all other office works, but make sure guys you don't use this for gaming because it don't have any additional graphic card except the Intel integrated graphics. Coming to the price point, you can get this laptop in only 35,000 rupees and there are also other color variants available in this laptop. For all these details you can check out the description box below. We'll provide the link in the description. Hope you like this video and don't forget to share this to your friends who are looking for a best budget laptop. And also if you haven't subscribed, just subscribe and also hit on the like button. Thank you for watching guys. See you in the next one.